Students, this is NCERT exercise problem 1.30 from page number 28 of some basic concepts of chemistry, right? So let's read this statement. What will be the mass of one carbon 12 atom in gram, right? So in this question, they have given you a term that is carbon 12 atom, and they are asking you to find the mass of this carbon 12 atom in gram, right? So in this problem, we'll use a relation that is atomic mass versus number of moles, right? So I know that 1 mole equal to the atomic mass of the element. Here we are having carbon 12, so I'll write carbon 12 over here, right? Now 1 mole is also equal to the Avogadro number of atoms, right? So 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 atoms, right? Why I have taken atomic mass versus atoms? Because atomic mass is expressed in terms of gram, right? So that's why I have taken atomic mass over here, right? So atomic mass of carbon is 12 gram per mole, right? So what I'll do now, I'll put unitary method over here, right? So I know that I have to find the mass of one atom. So what I'll do, I'll take these atoms on the left side and rest value on the right side, right? So 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 atoms of carbon 12 have mass equal to 12 gram per mole. Now, one atom of carbon 12 has mass equal to, obviously this value is taken in numerator, right? The value on the right side divided by the first value on the left side is taken in denominator. So it is 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 atoms, right, into one atom. Now this is obviously number of atoms in 1 mole, so you can write mole over here divided by mole. So definitely this will be 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 atoms per mole. So I'll cancel this mole inverse with this atom with this, right? So the rest value is only 12 by 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 gram. If you want to calculate this with calculator, the answer will be 1.99, right, into, now this 10 raised to power 23 is positive in denominator. When you'll take this in numerator, it will be 10 raised to power minus 23 gram, right? If you are going for a competition exam, definitely calculator is not allowed, and you'll not have that much time that you can proceed these complicated calculations. So what you can do, you can simply round off this value. That means if I take 12 by this 6, now the first digit on the right side of 6 is 0, that is less than 5. So what I'll do, I'll simply write this as 6, right? So 6 into 10 raised to power 23. Now 12 divided by 6, that means 2 over here, right? So 2. Now this 10 raised to power 23 is positive in denominator. When I'll take this in numerator, it will be 10 raised to power minus 23 gram, right? Now if you'll round off this value, it will be also equal to 2, because here I am having 9, that is more than 5. So what I'll do, I'll simply add 1 in this value. So it will be equal to 2 into 10 raised to power minus 23 gram.